Okay, in my hands here is the GoPro handle, otherwise known as the floating handle for your GoPro. Right here next to me is a brand new GoPro 11 Mini, which I'm going to test out shortly. And it came with this GoPro handle, which I have. If I told you how many of these I have, it's a little silly because they keep coming with the GoPros when I get them. But this handle is absolutely phenomenal. If you're an active person, which is probably why you bought the GoPro, you're going to want this because you're gonna want to go swimming, you're going to want to go snorkeling, you want to do all those things, and it is such a nice, number one, it's a good handle for while you're doing those activities, but it is really nice that if you lose control of it, or if you just want to throw it to your wife or whatever, you don't have to worry about it. It just, your camera just floats at the top of the water. You're not going to lose it. It's not going to sink. I haven't been in the Galapagos diving down to pick up a GoPro, which was a little further than I normally swim down to because it fell off a handle. So I would have killed to have this inflatable handle there at that point. That would have been amazing. We had lost the strap and the whole thing went to the bottom and I had to swim down and get it. I got it, but no, I now don't have to worry about that anymore, and you shouldn't either with this. If this kind of content is helpful for you, down below, that helps us. We really do appreciate it. I hope this was helpful. I am Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I will see you next time.